Hello guys. So today I'm going to show you how to share Instagram story to your Facebook story. Now it's an incredibly easy process. So firstly what you have to do is open your Instagram. So go to your Instagram, then click on your profile at the bottom right. Now click on the three lines at the top right, then go to settings and privacy. Over here go to account center. Now over here you will have an option of sharing across profiles. Click on that and then add your Facebook profile right over here by clicking on add profile over here, and then just simply add your Facebook profile as well. Once you have done that, click on your Facebook profile and inside that you will find two options, your Facebook story and your Facebook post. So just simply enable these options right over here. Make sure to enable them and also make sure to choose the correct account over here, because if you will have multiple accounts linked in a single Facebook account, you will find that you will have multiple accounts over here. So make sure to choose the correct account. Now go back. And so now let's create a story. All you have to do is just simply click on your profile icon. So now just simply choose whatever story you want to post. Now after choosing your story over here, all you have to do is just simply click on the next icon at the bottom right, and over here you'll find a few options. The first option is add Facebook story. So click on that option. Then just click on cancel because it is already selected. Let me cancel it first. Now, if you click on this option over here, which will show you by default, click on this option and over here it will give a pop-up. Share to Facebook. Now, over here, just simply choose yes or share to Facebook. And then choose this option and click on share. That's done. Now the story have been posted on your Facebook account as well. So let's go and check. If you go back and open our Facebook account over here, you will see that the story have been uploaded over here as well. So it should be right over here somewhere. Or if you are unable to find it, just simply go inside your account. Now as you can see it over here, you will be able to see the story. So if you click on that and click on view story, the story will be right over here as well. That's it. And thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Take care.